I had a wonderful experience of going to Kailash Manasarovar Yatra in 2009. That is a wonderful memory of my lifetime. At that time, I came across a young boy of 22 years, Gautam Bajracharya. This boy accompanied us to Kailash Manasarovar Yatra, and really he has got related to us so well that till today I tell he is my son. That's the way he has taken care of a pilgrim who has come. It was his job to take care of us, and the way he has taken care of us was so high that till today I call him my son. And this Gautam Bajracharya has grown to that level 5 years back that he started his own travel agency called Shivalaya Tours and Travels, and he started taking the pilgrims to Kailash Manasarovar Yatra. So Shivalaya Travels, I had my blessings for Shivalaya Travels. Whenever my friends and relatives want me to recommend a right person to go to Kailash Manasarovar Yatra, I am sending to Kailash Shivalaya Travels, Tours and Travels, because now he has outbeaten, and this year he got an award also that he is the best travel agent from among the 10 tourist operators from Nepal. So about Gautam, this much I can say, and his Shivalaya Tours and Travels, they are taking very good care of them. Any pilgrimage you will book with them, and he has started his office in Kathmandu first. Later he spread to Delhi and Bombay, and last year in 2018 he started in Hyderabad also in Himayat Nagar, and he has a wonderful team. And he doesn't depend on the team totally. He comes once the team introduces you to Shivalaya Tours and Travels, he will come all the way from Kathmandu and he will meet you, brief you, and repose confidence in you to take up this trip. And I feel that there can be nobody who can guide us properly, who can take care of us more than Gautam Bajracharya, who is lived from his 15th year, and I think till now he must have done 20 parikramas, and he went for inner parikrama, which is very crucial, at least 3-4 times before 2010 or 11. So the energy levels of that boy is good. He is around 30-32 years now, and I recommend anybody who want to take up Kailash Manasarovar Yatra either by helicopter or by overland tour, or any tours in Nepal, or if you want to go to our Himalayan range, or some conducted tours they are trying to plan for South India also. I recommend Shivalaya Tours and Travels because he has grown in tourism, his hospitality, his crisis management, his connections with the Nepalese government and Chinese government are commendable, dependable, and from the day we take off the tour till we land to our home, he will be taking care of us. This much I can tell about Shivalaya Tours and Travels and Gautam Bajracharya, who is the MD of it.